If you've been scrolling TikTok and suddenly saw TikWatcher.site promising you can earn money just by watching TikTok videos, you're probably wondering, is this the easiest side hustle ever, or is something fishy going on? Because honestly, on the surface, it sounds like a dream. No skills, no investment, just watch videos and get paid. But once you actually step inside the platform, things start feeling a bit off. First red flag. The domain is extremely new, created in November 2025, which usually means the site hasn't built any trust yet. Then the moment you hit start earning, instead of giving clear steps, the site redirects you to random pages that don't actually explain anything. It feels like you're being kept busy instead of being given real tasks. And inside the dashboard, instead of actual earning options, you're pushed through repetitive questions and loops that never lead to a payout screen, transaction history, or even a minimum withdrawal requirement. Another thing that stands out is the complete lack of transparency. There's no email, no phone number, no privacy policy, no social media. Nothing that shows who runs this platform or how they handle your data. And when you try to verify the site online, there are 0 legit external reviews, no Trustpilot ratings, nothing on Reddit, and no YouTubers showing real payments. After checking everything, the conclusion isn't that the platform is 100% legit or 100% scam, it's just that there's no solid proof either way. But based on the delays, the redirects, the lack of information, and the extremely new domain, it definitely falls into the use with caution category. So if you're thinking about trying TikWatcher, maybe hold off until more real users share genuine results, because right now the platform raises more questions than answers.